Today, we're gonna go unbox the Reolink Argus PT. This is the solar version, and I'm gonna be using this for my house. So let's go unbox it. It says, be prepared, be Reolink. That's what you get from the box. And what you get is the guide, foam, and the cameras. So that's pretty simple. So this is the mount right here that you use for the camera. They included a strap, which is good. This is for mounting hardware right here. You get 3 screws, 3 drywall or stucco anchors, and a pin. And also you get a USB-C cable with it. And this is your antenna right here. And we're gonna be using this using our 2.4 gigahertz band, Wi-Fi band. So that's it. So what we're gonna do is install this. We're gonna get rid of the box, and actually let me read the specs for you guys. So this is Reolink Argus PT. It's 100% wire-free, pan and tilt capable, outdoors and waterproof, solar powered or rechargeable. So I bought a separate solar panel for it. That's what I'm gonna be using, or battery powered. Smart alarm with person and vehicle detection. So that's it. What's underneath? There's none. So inside, before you fire this thing up, make sure you guys install. If you're installing antenna, again, if you're an RC fan or RC hobbyist, you guys know don't fire your transmitter without an antenna, because it will fire your electronic or power it up. So this is it. So this is the main camera, and what we're gonna do is unbox solar panel for it. This is not sponsored by Reolink, and I bought this with my own money. So I'm posting this because I want to share my experience, and I'm going to be reviewing items that I use on a daily, so you guys can make decision whether to purchase or not. I'm here to help you guys decide, make that decision, and hopefully help you guys make that decision yourself whether or not to invest in one of these security cameras. So my goal, again, if you're new to the channel, this is my channel. It's dedicated to smart home devices, or devices that will make your house a little bit more efficient, right? Such as having solar outdoor lights that's solar powered capable, or any devices that depends on the sun for power. The camera that I just recently purchased. So we are unboxing, breaking the seal right now. Sure, this thing is not open. Okay, so this is the Reolink solar panel, just for specs, right? It is non-stop solar power, easy setup, IP65 weatherproof. Again, you get that be prepared, be Reolink sign again, or brochure, and then you get a pad. Yeah, this is the pad to protect the light itself. And this is the solar panel. So you can see it's pretty good. It looks pretty solid, it feels pretty solid. And this is the good old mini USB-C type. I hope Reolink, if you guys are listening, you guys need to upgrade the cable. I know there's a lot of USB devices that out there that still uses this. But if you guys want to make more, maybe gain a little bit more customers, or just gain customers out there, I think you guys gotta keep up with the USB type game. But that's not a deal breaker for me. I'm gonna be using that cable regardless. So this is the mount right here, the mounting arm. Let's see in the bottom. Yep, there's nothing in there. So this is it. So what's gonna happen is that I'm gonna be mounting this outside of my house. Connect the camera to this, the Reolink Argus PT, like this, upside down. We're gonna be using the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi band to connect it to the network, and also use the solar panel to power this Reolink camera, Argus PT camera. So where you put the cable is gonna be the power. So you can see right here, there is a little tab, a flap, where you have to turn on and turn off. Excuse me. So there's a little tab right there. Plastic. It's a waterproof, IP65 weatherproof. You remove that and you can turn on your camera. Before we turn that on, make sure we identify where to plug in the power source, which is our solar, and you plug this into the back of the camera. So if you can see right here, I'm gonna make sure that we don't drop the solar because it's delicate. and you plug this into the back, just right next to the antenna right there. You plug this in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna charge this and set it up and then install it, and I'll show you guys some videos on how this thing looks on camera. So yeah, super happy. I don't have to wire my cameras like I used to. I have the Reolink bullet and dome cameras back in the day, the year 2017. I installed that. It was a pain to install because I have to run some PoE Ethernet cables around the house, but I'm completely going wire free, and my goal is to use the power of sun and use it as an energy. So I purchased this Reolink Argus PT solar powered camera. So I'm gonna install this. I'll show you guys how it looks. All right, guys, so that wraps things up. If you guys are interested, click like or subscribe. I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.